Hi there, it's Shirley from WTI, and let me tell you a bit about this radio from the brand NOAA. This emergency radio Raynic weather radio solar hand crank, it's very practical for me since it's an emergency radio. I never know when I'll be without electricity and when my phone signal is weak. It has many functions. If I don't have a flashlight, it has one with a good light intensity. It also has six charging methods, and when there's no electricity, I don't have to worry because it has a solar panel. It just needs to be sunny, and I put it there to charge. And its charge lasts a long time. It also has a radio to keep me informed about what's going on. I can also connect my headphones, and if there's no sun to charge it, I love that it has several ways to do it. I can use batteries, connect it with a USB charger, use the hand crank power, and it also has a rechargeable battery. I don't need to feel anxious during an emergency because with this radio, I have everything I need. And that's my point of view.